Hello, it's just another collector. It's Saturday, February the 1st. Today, I'm showing one of my Laurel and Hardy figures, or wind-up dolls in this case. These are wind-up dolls from the 1960s. Let's take a look at the bottoms. They were released by, sorry, there's the glare again, Lakeside Toys. And I got these in Atlantic City a number of years ago. And wind-up dolls, that's what they are. So Laurel has his wind, but Hardy, unfortunately, does not. But it is workable, because when I did buy them, the seller had something that he attached to the back, and it did work, but it was his, so he couldn't give it to me. Now, I've seen these on eBay a lot, and they don't go for a whole lot of money, but both of the ones I own actually have the bottoms. And you can see there's a lot of wear and tear. But I don't think I've seen any of these wind-up dolls actually have the bottoms on them. So maybe it's rare, maybe. And I think I paid $300, which I think was way overpriced. But maybe market value, maybe that's what they might go for. So let me just wind up Laurel, because he does work. So let me, just to show you that for a second. Hold on. Leave Hardy on there. Yeah. So he does kind of... Well, I need a hard surface, really. But you can hear it. It does work. Hold on. Let me just put this down for a second. See if I can, wind them up. Oh, yeah, so he still works. Sort of. Oh, there he goes. So that's cool. It still works. My cat's watching. So that's kind of neat. Coloring looks okay. I have to clean these a little better. They're kind of dusty. But Hardy, I think you could see, has some of the paint. It looks like, it's kind of fading a little bit. But these things are over 50 years old, so it's not too bad. So again, these were Laurel and Hardy wind-up dolls, released by Lakeside Toys from the 1960s. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.